Hi, it's Lynn here, and this is the start of my new series of what I cook at home. So I'm sharing my little secrets with the alkaline diet and the delicious food that will keep your inflammation in check, and it's nutrient dense and it's really, really delicious. So the first one today is the chia pudding, and I use all organic ingredients as much as I can. Um, it is just so scrumptious. I have it every day. It keeps you regular. It's amazing. So I do hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Thank you. Bye.